my guys, and welcome to another episode. I have a little episode just to show you some tools that I get and why I get it, and I think this is something that is gonna cut time when I do my repairs. So let's get to it. I have here my Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet. Super convenient. It's just like another regular ratchet but electrical. This is gonna be 250 RPMs and it's gonna have 35 foot-pounds of torque. This is just like I said, a regular ratchet but with a motor. It's gonna simplify the jobs. Like in few episodes ago, you saw me doing the motor mount on a Ford Focus. The bottom transmission mount, you saw me removing it and putting it back on the car. Super easy. I put the bolts with the ratchet instead of being under the car with the manual ratchet. It gets you tired. You spend a lot of time doing it. Why not getting one of these? So that's why I get this one. This is gonna simplify everything. You saw me on my last episode removing the seats. Super easy. Just go at it. And the good thing about this one is it's not gonna over torque bolts. That's one thing that I like about Milwaukee's. I did get the package. It has the battery, it has the ratchet, and a little case. So that's what you get. And like I said, to go and do bolts works really good, and it's not gonna pull your hand when you get done torquing the bolts. Let me show you. Let's say I have these bolts right here. I want to get them loose. You lose them like any other ratchet. Once you feel it like it's gonna loose, pull on the trigger. That's all it takes. It has a little light in here that is gonna help you on dark places, and that's it. That's all it does. Like I said, this is super convenient because it's gonna cut the time when I do my repairs, but it's just amazing to have new tools, of course. Now put it on, twist it, and go at it. You see, when I finish torquing it down, it doesn't pull hard on you. It's just doing a little pull, and that's it. And then you can torque it by hand. But when you finish, it torques the bolts down kind of like really good. Like I said, it has 35 foot-pounds, but I don't know, it feels a lot more than that. Okay, when you finish, you can just torque it down like a regular ratchet, and that's it. I love this tool. This is something really good. But in case that I need to run it all day, besides this battery, I get another one. I have the 6.0 battery. I like this one a lot because it's gonna last a lot longer, more power, and you can extend it up anywhere. Also, I get me a screwdriver. Why I get a screwdriver is because I need to stop using the regular ones and just go at it. This one is just like any other screwdriver. You can set it up on the torque, and like I said before, Milwaukee tools, they're not gonna over torque bolts and screws. If you're doing something like headlights or you're doing something in the inside and you need a screwdriver, you can set it up and it's not gonna over torque the bolts. And I have another battery for it. This is the 1.5 battery, but if I need more power, I can put the 6.0 on this one as well. And that's why I get 3 batteries, just in case that I'm running my tools all day. This is so convenient too. And you can extend it up anywhere as well. I love this battery, but these ones are kind of expensive. That's why I only get one. The other ones, I do get them in a package. But everything that you see on this episode is going to be links in the description if you want to get them, because this is going to simplify the jobs and make everything run smooth and faster when you have good tools. In the package, you're going to have the charger as well. I have the charger in here. And when you get this deal, like, I'm going to put the link in the description because I get that ratchet with one battery and the case. And another kit, I get this one with one battery, and that battery, the big 6.0, I get it separate. So I'll leave you with that, guys. Some people's been asking about these tools recently. That's why I bring this little review. I also have some other tools that I'm gonna show you in a minute. This is something that I get lately. You guys know that I have my impacts I have my Craftsman impacts. Love this. I've been having it for over 6 years. But the problem when I get these two, this is my impact. So when I get these two, I only get one battery because I didn't use them that much. This is the battery that I have with these two guns. The only problem with this one is old. It doesn't hold charge that well now. Same battery, 19.2, but this one it has a power indicator, which I love it. Now I can have one for each. Same as this one, battery indicator. So I can have my impacts at all times now with the new batteries. Besides this, I also gave me a decent, not the best one, but a decent drill. I get 3 batteries. This one came with drill. This is the small battery. This is the 18 volts, 1.5. It's okay, it gets the job done, but not really impressed with this one. That's why I get 2 batteries. These ones, they're bigger batteries. They have the power indicator as well. 18 volts, lithium batteries. And with this one, I've been doing a lot of jobs lately. So that's what I have right now. I have batteries, impacts, more batteries. I've been having all these tools lately. I've been using them a lot because I've been having a lot of jobs. Okay guys, so this is the new tool. This is my new tool collection. I'm gonna put the link in the description for everything that you see here in case that you wanna get them. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.